channel. So in this video, what I'm going to go through is how you create a Google Classroom. So you're going to go to this waffle, click on there, and I have Classroom installed. Let me make sure I'm in the correct thing. Okay, so let me add a class. That's my sample class. I'm going to go to this plus and I'm going to hit create class. Yes, I've read all of this. I'm going to name the class. So let's name this Algebra 1. You can name, add a section, subject, obviously math. I'm not going to add that. And if you like a room. Usually what I tend to just do is title the name of the class. Create. And it's going to create your class. Okay. So you can invite students, as it says, by giving them the code. Got it. On your smartboard or on your screen in school, when you're in school, you should click on this little expand. And I usually just have that up at the first or second day of school when I'm making them sign up, and I make them all log in where they see the code right in front. You can also add by going to people and inputting their name. So you go up here to people, add people, write their email in there and invite them. That's nice because you can also invite parents, which is something that I'll show you guys how to do. If you have a co-teacher, you can invite a co-teacher. Again, adding them through email, inviting them. In your Google Classroom, what you have is your stream. So here is where you could post quick announcements. It goes through everything in nice detail. So I do suggest you guys read and try this on your own. Classwork is once you want to start creating an assignment, you can do that. And that's another video I'm going to do. Again, people. And once you have assignments, you'll be able to view grades. So this is just a quick little tutorial on how you create a class. So you could add classes again by going to my classes and adding more classes. I'll say this is a geometry class. It creates it again. It goes through this whole process of inviting students. Okay.